Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Tesla Model Y door from the inside. First, locate the electronic door release button. It's conveniently placed on the armrest, right where your hand naturally rests. Simply press this button firmly with your thumb or finger. This action will electronically unlatch the door, allowing you to push it open and exit the vehicle smoothly. It's designed for quick and easy access out of your car. Sometimes, you might need to use the manual emergency release. This is crucial if your vehicle loses power. Look for a small mechanical lever, usually located near the window controls, slightly below the electronic button. Pull this lever firmly towards you. This action directly disengages the door latch, allowing you to open the door manually. Remember, this is primarily for emergency situations. Opening the rear doors from the inside follows a similar process. Each rear door also has its own electronic release button, positioned on the armrest for easy access. In an emergency, a mechanical release lever is also present, typically found near the window switch panel. It's a good practice to ensure all your passengers, especially children, are familiar with both the standard and emergency door opening procedures for their safety. To recap, understanding both the electronic and manual door release methods in your Model Y is vital for safety. Take a moment to practice them, and make sure anyone who rides with you knows how to exit the vehicle in any situation. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Also, life's too short for cheap socks, so check out Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.